How to delete all watched videos on Facebook and mobile. So if you want to delete all of your watched videos on Facebook and mobile, then first you need to open up your Facebook application. Once you open up your Facebook, now go with the upper left, which has that videos option. And once you have this videos, now you just need to simply go with the upper right, which has a person shaped icon. And here you will have saved videos or history, mobile data use, and notifications. You just need to simply go with history. And here you will have all of the watched videos. So if you've not watched any videos, then you will not have any videos right here. So you just need to simply go and watch any video. Now once you watch the videos, you just need to simply reload your page and go with the upper right, go with the history, and here you will have all of the watched videos, right? So if you have your watched videos right here, then just follow the steps. Go back to the home page, go with the upper right, which has that 3 bar icon, and now you just need to simply go with the settings, which is on the upper right. Under settings, you need to scroll down and go with the activity log option. Here you might have the activity log option. Tap on activity log and go with your Facebook activity. Under that, you need to go with post. Under post, you need to go with see more and then go with videos you've watched. And here you will have all of the videos that you've watched, right? So if you want to delete, then you just need to simply go with the right side, which has that 3 dots icon, and then you can go and delete. But if you want to delete all of them at once, then you can go with clear video watch history and tap on clear again. And it says that we've started clearing your watch history and it might take some time to clear all of that. So once done, you just need to simply reload your page. Once you've reloaded, then your watch history will be deleted. So that's how you can delete all of the watch videos on Facebook and mobile. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.